How to download Need for Speed Most Wanted on your PC or laptop. Oh, hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily download Need for Speed Most Wanted on your PC or laptop. So first thing, just head over to your Steam application if you haven't one. Then you can also search inside any of your browser for the steam.com. So once you're inside here, just click on search and just search in for Need for Speed Most Wanted, and you should be locating your game and just tap on that particular game over here. And you can also check out its system requirements if it aligns with your PC, and if it aligns with your PC, you can simply come over to this section at the top and click on this add to cart button over here, as you can see. So just tap on this and click on cart and click on view my cart. So as you can see, I've already added it, so I'll just remove it from over here. So once you're inside this screen, you can just click on this continue to payment option button over here, and you can just use any of the payment method like credit card or PayPal and just enter your payment credentials, and you can just click on continue and successfully download and install the Need for Speed Most Wanted game on your PC officially. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.